Ethereum value equivalent to 32,814 rands a coin. The present cost range, 32,665 32,945. The earlier day close, 32,999. The change was 185, 0.56%. Converse rate, ZAR to ETH. Ethereum cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, June 12, cost 31,016 rands, high 33,187, low 28,845. Ethereum gauge on Tuesday, June 13, cost 30,552 rands, high 32,691, low 28,413. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, June 14, cost 30,585 rands, high 32,726, low 28,444. Ethereum conjecture on Thursday, June 15, cost 29,595 rands, high 31,667, low 27,523. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, June 16, cost 30,469 rands, high 32,602, low 28,336. In multi-week Ethereum conjecture on Monday, June 19, cost 29,007 rands, high 31,037, low 26,977. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, June 20, cost 28,845 rands, high 30,864, low 26,826. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, June 21, cost 28,650 rands, high 30,656, low 26,645. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, June 22, cost 29,391 rands, high 31,448, low 27,334. Ethereum conjecture on Friday, June 23, cost 29,230 rands, high 31,276, low 27,184. In about 14 days Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, June 26, cost 28,563 rands, high 30,562, low 26,564. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, June 27, cost 29,550 rands, high 31,619, low 27,482. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, June 28, cost 29,368 rands, high 31,424, low 27,312. Ethereum figure on Thursday, June 29, cost 30,520 rands, high 32,656, low 28,384. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, June 30, cost 30,300 rands, high 32,421, low 28,179. In 3 weeks Ethereum figure on Monday, July 3, cost 30,814 rands, high 32,971, low 28,657. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, July 4, cost 31,061 rands, high 33,235, low 28,887. Ethereum figure on Wednesday, July 5, cost 30,414 rands, high 32,543, low 28,285. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, July 6, cost 31,049 rands, high 33,222, low 28,876. Ethereum figure on Friday, July 7, cost 30,839 rands, high 32,998, low 28,680. In about a month Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, July 10, cost 30,849 rands, high 33,008, low 28,690. Ethereum figure on Tuesday, July 11, cost 31,477 rands, high 33,680, low 29,274. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2027. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2023. Before all else cost at 36,941 rands, excessive cost 37,714. While low cost 26,564. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 32,880. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 30,300. Change for June 18.0%. Ethereum figure for July 2023. Before all else cost at 30,300 rands. Excessive cost 34,495, while low cost 26,028. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 29,703. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 27,987, change for July 7.6%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2023. Before all else cost at 27,987 rands. Excessive cost 32,357, while low cost 27,987. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 29,643. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 30,240, change for August 8.1%. Ethereum figure for September 2023. Before all else cost at 30,240 rands. Excessive cost 34,154, while low cost 29,686. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 31,500. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 31,920, change for September 5.6%. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2023. In the first place cost at 31,920 rands. Exorbitant cost 37,675, while low cost 31,920. The found the middle value of cost 34,181. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 35,210, change for October 10.3%. Ethereum gauge for November 2023. In the first place cost at 35,210 rands. Exorbitant cost 40,140, while low cost 34,888. The found the middle value of cost 36,938. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 37,514, change for November 6.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2023. In the first place cost at 37,514 rands. Exorbitant cost 46,562, while low cost 37,514. The found the middle value of cost 41,277. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 43,516, change for December 16.0%. Ethereum gauge for January 2024. In the first place cost at 43,516 rands. Exorbitant cost 43,516, while low cost 37,010. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 40,960. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 39,796, change for January 8.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2024. Initially cost at 39,796 rands. Excessive cost 39,796, while low cost 31,089. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 36,028. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 33,429, change for February 16.0%. Ethereum